back to me, Vasu. Today we are here at Mount Rushmore for a helicopter ride and I'm so excited. Weather is not at all helping us and it is heavy rainfall as well. So let's see how lucky we are today for the helicopter ride. There are many agencies there who provide these helicopter rides, but we chose Black Hills Aerial Adventure and we pre-booked and then we came here. As soon as we entered here, they checked our weight because they have some weight constraint on how many people who are boarding the helicopter. So they did that and then we had to wait for almost 2 hours for our turn to get, and we were just doing some time pass, taking some pictures, videos and all. And then I asked this cool, cute kid to come in my video. Cheese! And
You're famous.
there, see.
Look at.
And just before our turn, the instructor has come and is explaining us how to use the microphone, the headset, how we have to communicate in the helicopter and everything else. And then we are ready for the ride. First time for all 4 of us experiencing the helicopter ride, and we are so excited and thrilled to see Mount Rushmore from the helicopter view, which is the top view, and we can see the complete area in and around the mountain. So we'll get a clear picture of how it is, where it is. And as we are approaching towards the mountain, we were so excited when we saw the first look of the mountain with the president's face. They are the most iconic people for the nation, and the mountain, wow, it's a really wonderful experience view for us. And while it was turning just around the mountain, see how nice the view is. But this is all the close-up view that we have done from our cameras. This is how far we were being shown, and we were a little bit disappointed because we thought we'll just go very close to the mountain and see, but still we had a very wonderful experience and we are back. With this, we are done with our first plan of the day and captured some nice memories, and we headed towards our next plan, which is the Mount Rushmore National Memorial, where we can see the iconic monument in a closer look, which we were disappointed with this helicopter ride. And on the way, we see this Rushmore Burglum story, which is a museum, and they say we shouldn't miss this because it will give us a understanding and significance of Mount Rushmore. And then we are there at the National Memorial. The Mount Rushmore National Memorial is very big and we have to walk a lot towards the mountain. But if you see, even from far away, you can see all the 4 presidents' faces so clearly. But we still have a long way to reach the Mount Rushmore, and he is the person, Gutzon Borglum, the sculptor of Mount Rushmore. So I took a little bit more time to show him. And this is the avenue of flags where you can see all the 4 presidents in the background and the flags on either side, which is a very wonderful view. And here each state has their own flags, and in the avenue of flags there are a total of 56 flags representing 50 states, 1 district, 3 territories and 2 commonwealths of the United States. And also there is a reason of selecting Mount Rushmore for this carving. It seems because it has the maximum sun exposure, they selected this mountain. And also all these 4 presidents' names were recommended by the sculptor itself, Gutzon Borglum, because he thought that they represented most of the nation's events in the history of the United States. first person you're seeing here from the left is the first president, George Washington. Next to him is the third president, Thomas Jefferson. Next to him is Teddy Roosevelt, who is the 28th president. And the last person is Abraham Lincoln, who is the 16th president of the US. And a mandate must have pick here. And here are the four persons who just mimicked the four presidents, and they were a very special attraction there. When I requested for a pic, they said okay, and then I also took a couple of selfies with them. And one more happy thing that happened here is meeting Miss South Dakota. And overall, it was a very good experience, and I'm happy that I'm able to share it with all of you through my channel. And this pic we clicked while we were going to our next place visit, where you can see only the face of the president. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to me, Vasu. And also for all latest updates and the places that I am visiting, please follow me in my Instagram at me, Vasu.